Hi friends, welcome to Olim Tech Group. These days, more and more factories are using nitrogen for their business. So today, let me introduce our nitrogen generator. 5 reasons. Number 1, lower cost. After changing to nitrogen generator, just 1 year can return the investment cost. Number 2, more freely. Connect the power can get the nitrogen by using free and endless air resource. No need to be tied down by the liquid nitrogen prior. Number 3, easy to install and operate. All are prepared and after testing, just connect them like Lego when you receive the machines. Then it's a job of pressing on and off. Number 4, more than 10 years long service life. Just one-time investment. Number 5, should have one model for you. Purity from 95% to 59%. Capacity from 5 to 600 cubic meter per hour. Pressure can make 5 bar to 150 bar. Suitable and can satisfy your nitrogen demand in your factory. So contact us for your nitrogen generator.